Break ID number 5644. 2018-19 Crown Royal Basketball. 1 box break. Oh, what am I doing? Let's find out who has what. It's my first day on the job. Go. Five left in Contenders Optic Football. That's a $2. 7 left in Donruss Optic Football. That's a $2. And there you go. That's better. There's gold Steven Adams. It's a 10, 8 of 10. Hey, Jason. Look at this. Look at that jumbo jersey silhouette auto Mo Bamba. That's not bad. On card to 199. Magic. Brett, W.O. This one's not bad. Jersey, Wendell Carter Jr. Bulls. George, C.O. All right, there is another one of those up there. We've been averaging maybe every 3 boxes is an extra auto too.